Hey guys, here we're going to do a quick video. We got this 2018 Audi A4 Quattro. If you guys want to change the wiper blades on this, we're going to show you how to put it into wiper maintenance mode. So we're here, we want to hit the menu button and it'll pop us up over here on the screen. We want to go to vehicle. And this is probably not going to be what you guys are going to see. This is what's going to come up once you hit a vehicle, and then after that you want to hit up this button to the left of the toggle button there and get us to this menu. After here we want to go to service and check, and then we'll get to this. We'll go to wiper change position, we'll click that, and then you can see that'll bring our wipers up here. Once we're done with that, we hit that button. We'll push down on this again, and then we'll go back to normal mode. So yeah, if you guys are changing out your wiper blades, check this video out, show you guys how to put them in the correct position, and you guys can change those out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time.